Eggplant?
Yeah. Take $10? Yeah, I want to try that too.
Yeah. It's going to be a share one.
How was your lunch today?
All right, ma'am.
Try the eggplant hummus.
The eggplant?
Yes. Hummus. Here, how do you get the toast?
Oh, yeah. Bowl of noodles.
And then the braised
No dessert.
pork. Is it really fatty?
Which one?
Pork belly?
A bit fatty because it's pork belly. Pork belly.
Is it like a-
Fat, meat, fat.
Yeah.
It's the belly part of the beef.
Oh, yeah. Is it like
Or do eggplant? Which one do you?
Try first. If you don't have, you can change.
Okay. We'll try the braised pork.
Anything else?
And I ordered the curry noodles.
The Asian noodles. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.
I'll start with the ceviche and the calamari. And then can I get the salmon?
The salmon.
And also the steak.
Steak. How would like to be done? Medium, medium well?
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I didn't know how to say it.
Yes, eggs. Is that hummus?
Okay. It's good that Elliot's not here. This is tape.
Teriyaki chicken.
And this is just like
Would you like the rice?
yeah, I'm more than I have to get this
Alright, everyone ready
How
for
many
the
rice
meal?
you need? Just one?
Just
Yes.
a 12-hour walking day.
Thank you.
Have a big poster that things we have to pay. We keep checking off.
Oh.
I don't even know what they do.
I know, I don't have to look at it.
And
I'm
we
gonna
can see
go
how
by
much we accomplished.
I'm just gonna go by what this blogger said. The tray was
They say that they're going to give us the
yes.
We will receive the lock number on the day of the check-in. Receive it by check-in. He's very responsible.
So
All the
there's,
reviews are very good for this place.
so there's 2 bedrooms on the lower level. The 2 bedrooms are on the same level as the kitchen and a bathroom.
How many beds are in those?
Those
10
ones,
beds.
and then upstairs there's 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are attached, so it's like you and the kids can do this. And then there's another bedroom on the second floor with 2 beds. Yeah, so then we can just take the lower level. Here's the floor plan.
Because there's one giant room on the top for
you
our
guys.
family. How many bathrooms are there?
Here's the setup.
2? Good.
Yeah. Here's the setup. First floor is at the top one,
We'll take this whole section.
and then you can take the whole second level and then my
Bathroom
kids.
with that?
Yeah, there's nothing upstairs. My kids can go downstairs.
Oh, there's one bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom's in the bedroom.
Is it?
Wait,
What's hallway?
no, where's the upstairs bathroom?
At the top.
Right here. That's a toilet.
So I don't know, there's like, I don't know.
That's true, it's just a toilet.
There's gotta be a shower. There's gotta be a shower there too.
Is there an onsen here?
This kind of rental is based on the unit, it's not based on the number of persons.
No. Well, I don't know, but they had a minimum. I don't know if they had a additional cost after a set number. I can't remember. Can't remember. Because it says it's 10 beds, so it's supposed to sleep. What did they say? Sleep 12? There's a lot of beds.
That's what I was saying. We're going off American mentality. All of this is saying that we squeeze 20 people in there. You know, based on
Yeah,
American.
so there we go. This is downstairs. So you guys can take, so every bedroom has two double beds. So if you guys take one, we take one. And then upstairs, that bedroom that's connected to this bedroom. So like it's basically not connected, but maybe it's like a sliding.
I'll figure it out.
And the little one for my two. They're okay there. Oh yeah, because one leads to the stairs. Might be a bit. So it looks like the even the first level is the second level. The second level of the building.
Yeah, because there's like a snack bar downstairs.
Yeah. But yeah, that welcome package is very specific. It tells you exactly how to get to places. Like it's a bit of a. It says, okay, take this line and then that takes you to Shibuya, and here's all the things you can see. So the QR code too. If you do the QR code, at least to Google Maps, and it automatically pins it for you.
I really like their photos, like
Oh, yeah.
arrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You will see this and turn right, and then you'll see this. And then
Have you guys seen places where you can't find a sink? Like you go to the toilet and you're like, where's the sink?
oh,
It's a common.
No, not even that. So the very first place that me with mommy at Aburatsu,
yeah.
there's just a toilet, and then everybody came out saying that there's no sink, and then I go and I'm like, no, there is a sink. The sink is on the top of the toilet. So when you
Hand wash water.
when you flush the toilet,
Oh, you
water
use it.
comes out. You wash your hands with that, and then it goes
that's so
into
smart.
it goes into the toilet. It's
Why
part of
not?
the toilet.
That's so practical.
I've never seen that.
So the very first restaurant that we went to, where we went upstairs and on the mat, there was one of those above. Because I'm looking everywhere. I'm like, where is the sink?
So it's a basin? It's a basin on top of the toilet?
It's a basin with a spout, and water comes when you flush the toilet. Water comes out of the spout,
Hilarious.
and then it goes into the toilet
So, for the next person.
for the next flush.
Yeah.
I mean, conservation of water.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's so
The
good.
same water
That's really,
You know what I mean?
that's
So the water you use
for the next person.
No,
for the next
No,
one.
it goes
stays-
into the tank.
It goes into the tank of the
Toilet
toilet
tank.
for the next flush. Yeah.
I
And
mean,
then
you
that
don't
was
want to
again-
stand over the toilet to wash your hands, but
But it's awkward ergonomically.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's higher up.
Do you like public park? So no way
oh my!
Mom,
Emergency.
Oh.
Mom called the fire department.
Here at the left Toba sign, and then when he's like,
Like
put
quickly
the alarm
flash up. What is on
As long as she's enough to do motion.
Why was the red button?
Yeah. I couldn't find way to push it.
Mama pressed an alarm in the toilet, thinking it was to flush the toilet, but it was actually an alarm.
when we went to the Toba sign, the old ruins. Well, the ruins is kind of, we were just walking along the walls, but there's no more ruins.
It's just a
It's
flat
really ruins.
piece of
It's a
water
plateau.
on the top.
That's anticlimactic.
Like, there's not even foundation anymore. Like, there's not even
was
a
just
one.
So you
Yeah,
use
just
this is
imagination.
where it
grass.
used to be.
Just grass.
And so they had VR.
Oh.
Yeah, so but we couldn't get the app in time. So I guess we could have pointed it and see what
They should
used
just
to be
call
there.
it completely ruined.
Yeah.
No, we had to climb. We still
I
climbed
think
up.
we didn't walk there.
the
We saw a
fortress.
sign.
Yeah. That was nice. It
We
was
saw this really old
still very
Buddhist-
picturesque. You can see all the terraced
Calamari?
landscaping.
Taco?
What's that?
Octopus.
Oh, really?
octopus.
What's that?
No, this is just.
It's on the everyday Japanese.
Oh, really? Oh, how come I have another calamari? Oh, did you order points?
I got 4 things today.
Having the hummus and seafood ceviche.
Thank you.
Oh, the seafood what? They both have it as well.
What'd you say? Yeah. Yeah, but have to go on a boat to get it.
So you still have the
Soup.
hamburger. You want
Oh
soup?
no, I don't order this one.
No, this one.
So I ordered that one. Oh, yeah.
Sorry. This one is for you. The seafood chicken.
Thank you.
Yeah, they want chicken. Well, they want mango.
It'll probably be
Well, there's so much seaweed for sale. And lots of yam and chips. Like the little ones. But you have to deep fry, right?
Oh no, I bought this rice cracker. Super, super good. It was like really good at church.
Communion?
Oh.
Big one. And then just in the middle of it, it's like this, it's like they took the shell, a fossilized shell of a
Ah, but we have
Oh.
see the actual ship shell inside of it.
Wow.